In this target, we will define start, acquire, okay, start, acquire, and after that start, acquire, mm, what can I say after that? Start, acquire, and then process, follow up, okay. So for that, I will take, okay, right click, come here, take one right box, right click, stop button, okay, current temp, current temp, current temp, okay. Now second, acquire, 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 temp, acquire temp, okay, acquire temp, CURRENT, current time, CURRENT, current time, okay, current time, okay, CLEAR, 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 info, for, okay, information, analysis, okay, save, Okay, now this one is done. Right click, waveform graph, CU double RENT current, time, CU double RENT current, temp, 50, digital display, stop, okay, save, file save, oh, text file save, text file, okay, text file save, okay, PDMS file, SAV save, number of SAMPLE number of sample, number of sample. Round. Okay. Machine run. Now done. So front panel has been done. There is nothing in the block diagram right now, only the front panel. First design this one. Let's come to the block diagram and try to design. Now right click, take one event structure and place here. So now by default timeout. Okay, right click, add event. So the first event is current temperature. Current temperatures. Okay, so for the current temperature I am going to write one code which you have. Okay, channel timing, create channel timing, start, sorry, create channel timing, start, read, stop, and clear. Right click, create label, control U, okay. Now right click, now right click here, create constant, select device 1 channel 0, Okay, analog input. I am going to measure the temperature, thermocouple. The type of thermocouple should be J type, create constant, and the unit should be voltage, degree, sorry. The minimum and maximum, maximum is 100 and minimum is 0. So the maximum will be 50 and minimum will be the minus 20. Okay, just because rate rate is 1000, rate is 1000. Okay, rate is 1000. Analog single channel single sample DBL, right? So here I will use my current temp. So this is my current temp. I will connect my current temp with this. Okay, create constant, finite sample. So now this, okay, code of this portion is done. Okay, so now I will pass the data. And I will convert it into the shift register. Right click, create constant. I will take my current temperature and I will place inside. Now my this portion has been done. Okay, now look at here, add event, acquire. Okay, take acquire from this platform, place here, right click, come to the current temp, Control C, copy, acquire and place. Control B. Now change the channel. Now channel number is 1. Now channel 1. Okay, first earlier I had selected the channel 0. Now channel 1. Okay, channel 1. Everything is set. Number of sample here. Analog single channel, okay, single channel, multiple sample, 1D array. Okay, number of sample I will connect with this. Okay, now take away from graph, view as icon, connect, right click, click here, add shift register, create constant. When you will done, okay. Now come on to the third clip, current time, add current time, right click here, come into the string, format date, okay, create indicators, %d %b %y small y time percent h %m %s. So when you will done, please join. When you will done, we'll move. Now continuously next month, right click, add event, clear. Okay. So I will only clear here. Clear. Where is the clear? So clear means clear. Like okay. Come here. Come into the acquire. Right click. Create local variable. Clear. Constant. Okay. When you will done, we'll move. Now I will not give you much time. Okay. Clear has done. Info will later. Okay. Save file. Okay, save file. Right click, create, add event, text file. Okay, save file into text. Now right click, come into the file IO, write, open, replace and create, close, write text file. Constant. Okay, so for that first I will select a create convert. Control. Okay. Now come here, okay, right click, come to the string, format into the string, control, okay, dot to f. What is the problem with the dot to f? Okay, no problem. Right click, come here, come to the converter, precision, right, factorial will be good. Create constant or replace or create constant now. Right click here, add event, save TDMS, okay. For the save TDMS, right click, come into the file, write measurement file. It will open. So you should create one path where you want to save it. So I am binary TDMS, okay. I am going to select, right click, summer content, event, event, file TDMS, okay, file TDMS. It will automatically appear. Right click, view as icon, yes. Now the important things is here. So let's come here, come into the add event. TDMS file is here. Okay, come here, come inside, come in the acquired, right click, array size, okay, round machine, run, right click, view as icon. Okay, so first I will stop, I will work with the stop, value change. Now right click, duplicate, sorry, add event analysis, right click, come here. Now I want to analysis first. Okay, and my analysis will be if the number of sample, if the number of sample, okay, if the number of sample is greater than, okay, if the number of sample is greater than 1, always greater than 1, so if the number of sample is greater than 1, then we will write one code. Either if why, if somebody will press the clear, so it will not receive any data, so data will be 0. Okay, if somebody will press the clear, so data will be 0, so it will, okay, so number will be greater than 0. Okay, so now case structures, if number is not greater than 0, okay, it means previously someone has cleared the data. Okay, earlier, okay, in the earlier stage someone has cleared the data, so there is no data right now. Now I am going here, look at here, right click, come into dialog, one button dialog box, right click, create constant, right, acquire data, okay, first acquire data, FIR, first acquire some data, first acquire some data, okay, it is right click, dialog box, first acquire some data, minimum sample, minimum sample is equal to 100, minimum 100, sorry, minimum 100 sample required. To process analysis. Now program will stop. Now take data inside, right click here, come to the array, take minimum maximum, right click, good. Okay, now take the current data inside, current temperatures. Okay, so this one will be our maximum value, minimum value. Okay, now if my current temperature will be greater than if my current temperature will be greater than my max temperature. Okay, so temp is very high. Temp is very high. Right click, if my current temperature is less and equal than the minimum temperature, okay, if less than, if less than, then temp is very low. Temp is under. Now I will take right click, I will click here, I will come to dialog box, I will take this dialog box, No need to connect on this terminal. Click use default if unwired. Now right click, come into the info. Okay, so I'm going to write today's date today's date is percent d percent okay b percent y. Okay, today's date is okay. Programmer name is Nidesh Pradhan. Okay, right click, no, I will not do. Right click, come to the property node, text. Okay, now so I will not. Okay, now I will come here. Can I right click? Can I come to the properties? No, I cannot. Right click, sorry, user, no, applications, property node, no need. Come into the current temperatures, right click, properties, properties, local variable. Why should I use local variable? No need to use local variable. Info sections, converter, fractional number. Now right click, date is this one, the programmer name is Nitish Pradhan. Machine has been run space machine has been run times and current temp is okay. Everything is set, done. Right click, label first, cancel. Now program is ready to. Now come into the front panel and try to analysis. Start. Current temperature is 39. Okay, current temperature is 14th. Okay, acquired temperatures. Okay, so there is one thing is missing right now. I am going to create first event EVE file dot txt file.txt. Come into the block diagram, come here, save, write, create and replace. Nice. Right click, come to the browse option, new. Okay, file, file dot txt text. Okay, now everything is set. Start. Current 0. Okay, machine run one time. Acquire current time. Okay, info. Not happy. Let's come here, come in the block diagram, delete this one. Now run. Current temperatures, acquire information. Okay, 0.00, there is something missing, will do later. Okay, save. So now it will save my file. I can check from this platform. File, there's some problem. Okay, I will see what kind of problem is occurring later. Acquired temperature. Now text for save. Let's see. Okay. Let's go to that file place. Summer. Content. Event. Yes, it's writing. Okay. Analysis. Acquire first. So click current. Sorry. Click here. Current. Acquire. Analysis. Under control. Because temperature is not. Okay. Informations. So let's see what problem is occurring here in the informations. 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 Okay. It's generating directly 0. Okay. No problem. If I will stop here, this thing, I will go to this platform, current data, right click, current temperature, sorry, local variable, come here. I will come into the local info. I will delete this one. Right click, change to read. Now if I will run current temp informations, so now it will work. Okay. So one problem has been solved. Now the next problem. Analysis. Come to the analysis. Delete this one. Right click. Come here. Take local variable. Select waveform graph. Change to right. Okay. Copy this one. Del current temp. Current temp. right click, change to read. Now this program will work without any problem. Okay, let's check front panel, run only, current temperatures, require informations, okay, save it. We can check the file from that platform, summer, content, event, tdms file has been present. Okay, okay, here my program is working. Current time change, informations is not okay, no loss in information, analysis under control, text file, write file, number of sample rounds. Okay, loop stop. Okay, so can I create one timer here? Okay, try to create one timer. Right click, create. Thousand. No, it is a waste of the code.